Now, as Tamil Nadu's coronavirus tally crossed the 64,000 mark, the state government has claimed that the native Siddha treatment for patients with no or mild symptoms has given 100% recovery rate. However, the allopathic medical practitioners have sounded a note of caution, citing lack of adequate scientific scrutiny.
This young woman in Chennai had tested COVID positive with mild symptoms. She chose to admit herself here at a private engineering college, now converted into a treatment center for Siddha, Tamil Nadu's old form of herbal medicine. A week later, she has no symptoms, now returning home.
Got symptoms in cold, cough, no smelling sense, no taste sense, nothing. Now I'm all right.
And why did you choose Siddha?
My relation told, that's why.
Siddha uses herbal concoctions, largely undocumented, with no scientific scrutiny on trials and results. Yet the government is aggressively promoting it, claiming there's 100% recovery. 200 COVID positive patients are being treated here. They claim the Siddha option is offered only for willing, asymptomatic and mild cases. There's a major contradiction on the ground. Siddha doctors say both moderate and severe cases are admitted against the government's claim that only asymptomatic and mild cases are referred for Siddha. This elderly lady with diabetes and heart ailments is returning home recovered after 8 days. With no oxygen and ventilator support at these centers, it's a gamble.
Mild symptoms getting would result in 6 days or 7 days. But severe symptoms getting relief in 8 or 9 days.
Suddenly, if they require ventilators or oxygen supply, what do you do here? Severe cases.
Sir, I am daily watching the patients with the pulse oximeter. We know which patients oxygen level is going below 90, below 85.
Move them to allopathy hospitals?
No.
Initially, the Tamil Nadu government promoted a Siddha concoction only as an immunity booster. But now it's being promoted as a cure to appease its ally at the center, the BJP.
So you have to blend yoga, Siddha and Ayurveda.
We are also treading into unscientific territories.
We believe Siddha is as scientific as allopathy. They may not have the empirical verification process of an allopathy, but they have enough of history.
Is Siddha a wonder medicine without scientific backing? Or is it being pushed for a political agenda, putting lives in danger amid allegations of shortage of beds against exponential rise of numbers? In Chennai, with camera person Edwin, Sam Daniel, Find It TV.